Welcome to the presentation on Agile transformation and Scrum practices. In this session, we will explore the shift towards Agile methodologies, how it impacts organizations, and the adoption of Scrum practices to improve efficiency. We'll also discuss the key benefits of Agile transformation, including faster delivery, enhanced collaboration, and improved customer satisfaction. This presentation will provide insights into various Agile frameworks, the challenges during transformation, and best practices to successfully implement Agile practices in your organization. Welcome to the presentation on Agile transformation and Scrum practices. In this session, we will explore the shift towards Agile methodologies, how it impacts organizations, and the adoption of Scrum practices to improve efficiency. We'll also discuss the key benefits of Agile transformation, including faster delivery, enhanced collaboration, and improved customer satisfaction. This presentation will provide insights into various Agile frameworks, the challenges during transformation, and best practices to successfully implement Agile practices in your organization. Agile adoption brings significant benefits to organizations. It leads to increased customer satisfaction by enabling faster delivery of features and gathering continuous feedback. Faster time to market is achieved through iterative development, allowing teams to release products in shorter cycles. Agile also encourages enhanced collaboration, breaking down silos, and fostering cross-functional teamwork. It improves product quality by integrating frequent testing and validation throughout the process, ensuring better products. Additionally, Agile's adaptability helps teams respond to changing business needs quickly, making it a highly flexible approach. Organizations that implement Agile effectively see quicker decision-making, higher productivity, and an overall improvement in customer outcomes. This transformation not only optimizes the development process but also aligns teams with organizational goals, providing value to customers more rapidly and consistently. Several Agile frameworks help organizations implement Agile practices effectively. Scrum is one of the most widely used frameworks, based on fixed-length iterations known as sprints, where teams deliver an increment of a product. Scrum emphasizes continuous delivery, collaboration, and adaptability. Kanban is another Agile approach focusing on visualizing work and managing flow through work in progress, WIP, limits, making it ideal for teams requiring continuous delivery without fixed iterations. XP, extreme programming, improves software quality by using techniques like pair programming, test-driven development, TDD, and continuous integration to build robust software. Lean focuses on eliminating waste and improving efficiency by delivering maximum value with fewer resources. Each of these frameworks can be customized and combined based on team needs and the specific goals of the organization. When organizations grow, scaling Agile becomes essential to ensure large teams and multiple projects maintain Agile principles. SAFe, Scaled Agile Framework, helps scale Agile at the enterprise level by incorporating roles like release train engineer, RTE, and organizing work across multiple teams and portfolios. LESS, Large-Scale Scrum, extends Scrum practices to multiple teams while retaining the simplicity of Scrum, emphasizing cross-team collaboration and shared goals. The Spotify model involves self-organizing teams, called squads, and organizes them into tribes, chapters, and guilds, facilitating collaboration and innovation across the organization. Scaling frameworks like SAFe, LESS, and Spotify ensure that Agile practices are maintained across multiple teams, allowing large organizations to remain flexible, efficient, and customer-focused while delivering quality products quickly. Agile transformation isn't without its challenges. Resistance to change is common, as many teams are used to traditional project management methods and may struggle with the Agile mindset. This shift requires overcoming old practices and embracing new ways of working. Cultural shifts are also needed. Agile emphasizes a collaborative, decentralized approach, which contrasts with top-down management. Additionally, many organizations face lack of experience when it comes to implementing Agile practices effectively. Without a deep understanding of Agile principles, teams may struggle to apply them. Misalignment between business and technical teams can also arise, causing delays and confusion. Lastly, the absence of appropriate tools and training may hinder Agile adoption, making it essential to invest in the right resources and continuous education for all team members. To ensure a successful Agile transformation, certain best practices are key. First, leadership buy-in is critical for driving change across the organization. Agile must be embraced at all levels, starting with senior leadership. Starting small with pilot projects helps to gather feedback and fine-tune processes before scaling Agile practices across the organization. Continuous learning and improvement are essential, with regular retrospectives used to reflect on what worked well and what needs adjustment. Encouraging cross-functional collaboration fosters better communication and teamwork, breaking down silos between departments. Finally, organizations must invest in Agile tools and training to ensure teams have the resources needed to implement Agile practices effectively and to maintain momentum throughout the transformation process. In conclusion, Agile transformation is a continuous journey that requires dedication, patience, and ongoing adaptation. Scrum and Kanban frameworks provide a foundation for improved team efficiency, collaboration, and product delivery. For larger organizations, scaling Agile with frameworks like SAFe or LESS helps maintain Agile practices across multiple teams while ensuring alignment with business goals. Success in Agile adoption depends on leadership support, a cultural shift, and consistent process improvements. By fostering an environment of collaboration and embracing continuous feedback, organizations can achieve faster delivery cycles, enhanced product quality, and better customer outcomes. With the right approach, Agile can lead to higher productivity, innovation, and a more responsive organization.